UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice portable power bank to take with you traveling during this holiday season? Then I think you're going to stay tuned and check out this nice little portable power bank. This 2,500 mile power bank from a company called INIU. All right, with 100-watt capabilities. All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, it's your man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at this nice little portable power bank from a company called INIU. I hope I'm not murdering the name. It's spelled INIU. All right, it's a 100-watt portable power bank. All right, before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none of this is possible. I mean, nothing is possible. All right, you got to keep God in it for make anything possible. All right. You Nation, it's your main man, Mark, back again with another video. Today we're gonna be taking a look at this INIU 2,500 mile portable power bank. All right, I'm getting my words getting twisted. All right, I'm gonna let you take a look at the box. All right, because you know I'm crazy about these power banks. I gotta have power banks because you know you want to be out nowhere and run out of juice. But anyway, let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out there real quick. All right, it's the INIU 100-watt power bank, mini size, 25,000 mile high capacity laptop portable charger. That's a mouthful right there. It has USB-C in and out. Tablet, let's see where it says tablet power bank. So it's saying you can charge a tablet with it, whatever. I don't know who writes this stuff. But smart digital display, phone charger for iPhone 15. You know, they always tell you which phones they go to. As long as your phone got USB-C, you're good to go. But it's saying they'll charge up a MacBook, iPad, and Samsung phones and iPhones. Right, iPhones they got the USB-C. All right. I think that's why they're saying iPhone 16 and 15. But anyway, let's see. Like I said, it has a fast charge. That's one of the big things they're bragging about, talking about fast charge. As you see right here on the box, it's saying faster. All right. I'm gonna leave a link also in the description box below if you want to get some more detailed information. But anyway, let me see. See if there's any more information in here. Like I said, 100-watt. Okay, powered iPhone. Okay, let me get you right here. Power ready iPhone and MacBook in 25 minutes. A must-have for multi-device users. This power bank provides up to 110 watt high speed charging, but I thought it was only 100 watt. But anyway, this is what I'm reading right off the website. The power bank supports Samsung super fast charge. Oh, it says charging speed for 2 devices at once. No, take that back. In just 25 minutes, it can charge up your MacBook Pro 14-inch to 42%. All right, and an iPhone from to iPhone 15 to 63%. All right, so let me read that again. It's saying it can charge your MacBook Pro 14-inch to 42%. All right, and iPhone 15 to 63%. All right. So it's saying it should be able to do that in 25 minutes. We'll see about that. But anyway, let's see what else we got right here. Power bank supports super fast charge for Samsung phones. Samsung phones show that super fast charge. Charging 2.0, getting the Samsung S24 Ultra to 75% in 30 minutes. All right, it's saying that it can get the Samsung S24 Ultra to 75% in 30 minutes, and it recharges fully in only 1.5 hours. So this right here recharge within 1.5 hours. That's pretty cool. So you ain't got to be sitting there waiting all day for the recharge. But anyway, so this is the box. As you see, they're bragging about the faster charging and all that good stuff. It says beyond safe, beyond fast. And then you have 3 years, supposed to be a 3-year warranty. That's pretty cool. It said power bank, and let's see it. Nothing really on the back. Nothing on the back. Nothing really on the back right here. So, you can pause this and read it for yourself. See what it got on the side. It's telling you what the color is. So we got the red color. and I forget what other colors they come in. Let's see. Let me get back up here. I think they have. Let me look. I'm looking right here. They got them black, yellow, red, navy blue, white, and like an orange. All right. So let's get this one out of the box. I think we got the red. All right. Let me peel this out of the box. All right. All right. I'm gonna toss that box to the side. All right. All right. Let's see here. Get the power bank. Boy, this thing is heavy. This got some weight to it. Okay. See what all we got out in there. All right. Anything else in this box? Nope. Toss that box to the side. All right. All right. Let's see. We got some instruction booklets and scan the barcode on the seal sticker. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Don't need that right now. And here is your instruction booklets right here, showing some little information right here. All right. Telling you, you know, the operations on this, so you can pause this and read it for yourself. So just in case you got one and you lose the instruction manual, here you go right here. Pause and read it for yourself. Let's see what's on the back. They're talking about 3-year warranty, lifetime technical support. That's pretty cool. So they're confident in their stuff. They're real confident in their products. All right. All right. So we got like oh man, this is a pretty thick cable too. USB-C, like a USB-C to USB-C. Let's untwist this bad boy. Yeah, you know, like might be like a maybe 2-foot cord, maybe 2-foot cord. No, you couldn't see that because you see the USB-C. All right, nice little carrying bag, but you got that little logo on there right here. You know, but you know what you're working with. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the package. All right, tearing up this package, trying to rush through things. All right, let's see here. Almost forgot something. All right, let's go ahead and get this out. Voila. Now I'm thinking this got to be the burnt orange, or it looks more orange to me than red, but it is what it is. I'm just, you know, happy to have it. Anyway, as you can see here, all right, got the little logo on here. Trying to look at the screen and talk to y'all at the same time. Fast charge. They pumping that fast charge, all right? It says, what does this say? Power bank design and by INIU, all right? As you can see here, you got your 100-watt in and out charging slot. And well, I thought the paper was falling on me anyway. And then you got another 45-watt. You know, on a second USB-C charging slot, and then this last one, USB-A, is a 15-watt out. So these two are out on this side, and the one on this side is in. All right. So that's too cool. Let me go ahead and see. Oh, you got the power button right here on the side. You know, it would have been cool if they had like, you know, like a different color on the power bank, so they had all the same color. That's just me. Like say we had like a yellow color right here. Or, you know, maybe a green, you know, something to match this. But anyway, all right. See what's on the bottom? Not much. And on the back, you just got this little information on the back, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. All right. All right. Let's see here. Let's power it up. See what we're working with. We're sitting at 47%, so it came 47% charge. So let's go ahead and do our testing with first of all, with the Note 20 Ultra. You know, I know I'm behind with the Note 20 Ultra, but hey, you know, it is what it is. But we'll be swapping this out, you know, in the next few months possibly. All right. But anyway, not about that. Let me find. Okay, well, I'll use their charging cord. All right, because this is a pretty thick cord too. Nice thick cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. As you can see here, I'm plug it in right here on the. I'm gonna plug it into the 100-watt. Let's see what happens. Super fast charge. You see that? Let me do that again because I'm just all over. I'm just being clumsy with it. All right. Unplug it again. This cord is pretty thick. And one thing, this thing ain't gonna sit up straight. So let me plug it in one more time. Super fast charge. All right. So what I want to do is see if the other one is super fast charge as well. super fast charge. All right, so both of those do super fast charge. All right, so let's see here. What I want to do is I got, you know, the Tozo earring buds right here, open ear earbuds. I'm gonna charge those because I like to get that charger screen so you can see clearly what it's doing. And you got these little JBL tours, whatever, I forget what they are. Look at the nice little screen, got the little screws on there. All right, might have to do a video on them, but anyway, let's get back to this right here. All right, so what I want to do first, let me see, I got a charging cable. I got a nice little thick charging cable right here. I'm gonna plug this one into the 45 watt. All right, I'm plugging that one into the 45 watt, and then I'm gonna plug it into the Tozos. All right, so Tozos is charging. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this other thick charging cord for the USB-A to charge up the JBLs. All right, let me go ahead and get this thing together. M-Fish makes some good sturdy cables. I'm telling you, this is a little multi-cable. It's got, you know, got the USB-A, and you got your USB-C right there, and I think the other end has like a lightning adapter on it if you're still using lightning. All right, so we'll make sure I got it in there right. All right, yeah, a little tight. Shove it in there. Anyway, but all right, so as you can see on the other end of this, you know, so you got the USB-C, and then you got the lightning. All right, so I'm gonna take that. I don't need the light. I need the USB-C. So we're gonna plug them into these JBLs and charging. And I notice on these right here, it has a little light to let you know it's charging too on the charging cord. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below for the M-Fish cables and for this power bank. All right, so we got that charging. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if it what it's gonna do with this Note 20 Ultra, if it's still gonna be supercharged. What? So you can have 3 devices plugged up at one time and get super fast charge? Now I just did a video on another power bank somewhere. Yeah, this Basis power bank. It wouldn't do that. It would only just do fast charge at one device at one time, but it would charge 3 devices at once. But this one right here charges 3 devices at one time, and it will super fast charge your phone. Too cool. All right. So another thing I'm gonna test on here is I'm gonna test the pass-through chargers. All right. So let me see. Is this cable gonna be long enough? I might need to use my M-Fish cable. All right. So as you can see, this the in and out right here. Right. So what I'm gonna do? Use the M-Fish because this is like a 200 and some watt cable. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug the other end. As you can see there, the Tozos are still plugged up. All right, let me find where I do. Oh shoot, I'm about to tear something. Boy, I'm about to mess some up. I got it going in backwards. As you can see right there, you know, we make mistakes and things are live. I had both ends going into the charger, recharging itself. Boy, I need to slow down. I got all these cables, but anyway, so let me go ahead and plug this in here. Let's see if it does pass-through charging. So I gotta pull that out. Let's see here. Let me take it and do right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug. Let's plug the. Matter of fact, I'm gonna plug the Note 20 Ultra back up in here. All right. Let's see if we got the fast charge. Okay, super fast charge. All right, pass-through charging. As you can see here, it's charging. It's flashing. All right. So let me swap something around real quick. Like I want to see if it does 3. So I'm gonna take this out. All right. I need to slow down a little bit, but all right, I'm gonna plug that in there so I can go ahead and plug in, say, all right, the Tozos are already here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in might as well plug in the Tozos real quick. So I'm plug in the Tozos. All right, you see I got them in there. All right, it's like a spaghetti soup right here. All right, so I'm gonna plug, let's see here. I'm gonna plug this into the JBLs. As you can see, the JBLs are charging. All right. Do I got it in there real good? Let me maybe make sure I got it in there right. All right. Not seeing the light. So let's see. Okay, yeah, I see a light now. Okay, it's charging. All right, it's charging. All right. So I want to see if it does the pass through. Not pass through. I'm gonna see if it does the fast charging like that with 3 devices. Like that again. Yes, still super fast charge. Man, this thing is a beast right here. This thing is a beast. I mean, charging 3 devices at one time and charge. Well, I'm about tearing up the cables. And you get fast charging on one of the devices. Like I said, you know, like another power bank that I had. Let me get this stuff out of the way. That I was showing you earlier. It didn't do that. It only did 1 fast charge at a time. But this one from INIU does 3. You know, it'll charge up 3 devices and supercharge 1 device. All right. As you can see right here, it's showing you the wattage: 100 watt, 45 watt, and the 18 watt. Get it a little closer where you can see it. 18 watt. All right. Boy. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can get more detailed information in it. And also, have you hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and hit it. It's free. All right. But yeah, like I say, I say in my videos, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person who loves, you know, tech and gadgets. You know, so that's why I like to put them on the channel so you guys can see them, so you can see them before you make that purchase. All right. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell you prices because prices go up and down, and I want you to be like, hey, Mark, you said this price. No. That's why I say I click on the link in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. You can find out, you know, more information or pick one up for yourself. All right. But yeah, this is pretty cool. But it's pretty cool. It's solid. It's heavy. I need to get me a scale so I can start weighing some of this stuff, you know. But it's a nice this is a nice little power bank. All right. And I think, you know, this will be cool for your everyday travel or vacation. Like you got 25,000 miles worth of juice. All right. And I appreciate everybody taking out time checking this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bells. You'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that 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 friend, and tell that friend to tell a whole multitude of friends to subscribe, and check out these videos. All right, so you can see cool tech like this on the channel. All right. And like I said, we're not, tech experts. We're just, people who just like to, tech and gadgets. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bells. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. I mean that. Let's see the message for today. I got one. Be careful of the company that you keep. Everybody ain't Mark, what do you mean? Everybody ain't your friend. You have these people you be around and you thinking that you're friends and they ain't doing nothing but making your life worse, keeping holding you back from success. They'll smile in your face and then be stabbing you in the back, while you ain't even looking, or some of them, they think, they doing right, but they just, they ain't thinking right. So that's why I'm always saying, everybody ain't got your best interest at heart. Everybody, ain't on your team. So just be careful of the company you keep. All right. That's the message for today. Be careful of the company you keep. This is your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.